Guess what? Mom. Fried rice. Guess who's here?
Yep, finally.
Someone decided to show up.
Yep, I'm busy at work, dude.
Really?
What quarantine?
Really?
Why are you gonna mess with my hair?
Your hair is super messed up.
I know. Oh.
Hey.
What?
This is why my mom doesn't wake up on time. This is why she wakes up at 11 o'clock every day now. She doesn't sleep at night because she's drinking cha. Mom, really? Why? That's just empty calories. There's no benefit to drinking cha. There's no benefit to drinking cha. So we got some garlic in there. I already chopped up the mushrooms and serrano peppers. And I'm gonna add some ginger. All while this guy is always on his phone.
Yep.
And my mother over there is not obeying me and she's drinking cha. You have one job, do it. Yeah, मैं कर दी हैं. I go ahead, don't do anything.
What?
4.
What do you want?
Huh?
What kind of onion?
We only do red onions in this household. What is that?
My favorite.
मैं तो खा लिया ऑलरेडी मैं तो बहुत स्वाद लगी तो आ रही हम लिया पर ये है पर वो नहीं खाता था मेरे को पता नहीं हां वो काफी
नहीं बंद कर दे और उधर चला दे
Rice is done. Arsh is getting me more onions.
put oil in there, right?
You did. नहीं मैं तो दही हाथ विच क्रैक करके हाथ विच मिलाना है है ना?
You're not usually in bed by now?
Then go, babe. Go rest in bed. 2, 3, 4. I got what theme to run now. मैं कट्टिया तो सीगा.
बड़ी से नहीं कटिया सी
We should do like the Punjabi version of it. That'd be dope.
मंगे आई नहीं खराब कितना कितनी बाटी
I didn't do that. I'm not the only person that uses it. So, in total of 8 eggs. olive oil. जिथे कड़छियाँ रखी होंगी उथे ही होना. Pew, 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 pew. So all the work I did, and Mom's gonna take credit for it. Cause then she's the one cooking it. Okay, so we got, that was ginger, garlic, and serrano peppers, and then we got 8 eggs in that one. You do it. It's your job. You don't do anything else in the house besides go on TikTok. How long are we cooking this for, Mom? You're leaving me already?
Got work in the morning.
How dare you?
You got a movie or what?
No, I'm gonna record.
Butter in there.
No mutton. Follow it.
You
Do it to your flavor. Arsh likes peas. Make it. You want me to get you some?
Yeah.
For more.
ਉਹ ਵੱਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਫ੍ਰਿਜ ਹੈ ਲੰਮਾ ਵਾਲਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫ੍ਰੀਜ਼ਰ ਵਾਲੇ ਸੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਪਏ ਆ.
Okay, bye. Sweet peas. Got your peas. We added broccoli to the mix. Soy sauce, black pepper, sriracha, and then a little bit of salt. I forgot what sriracha was for like 2 seconds. Brain fart. It's been cooking for about 5 minutes now. You can add soy sauce to your tasting. Wait. No, we like mushrooms. Like you like your peas, we like our mushrooms. This is a red pepper. The one you can find at the Indian store. Black pepper. Can you tell we like it spicy?
Huh? Yeah, spicy.
We like it spicy. This smells so good. We didn't have sriracha last time, so it's kind of bland, but it was still bomb. We're eating fried rice, and my Bambi's gonna get some eggs. Are you excited, baby? Are you excited? Yeah, I did. Okay. Here you go, babies. How good is your food on a scale of 1 to 10?
10.
10?
The fried rice are bomb.
What's better, your Wingstop or the fried rice?
They're two different things, babe.
Mom, he doesn't like our cooking.
But you didn't even let me finish my sentence.
Sure.
Rice is better.
Liar. Liar.
These rice are fire.
He don't like a fried rice. He don't like it.
That's what I found out, guys. Sitting there messing with it.
I'm not messing with nothing. Apparently you have an issue with me talking to the camera.
No, I don't.
You don't want me to talk to my people?
What do you want?
Yeah, my people. Should I be talking to you guys or I shouldn't be talking to you guys? Look at Auntie go. Hey Auntie!
No.
Aja thalle. Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious. How do you like my song? Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious. I should totally get like a record label or something. Totally sign with them.
Make that million.
Mm-hmm. Huh? Arsh. Arsh is gonna eat it. Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious. Why do you look so sad eating your food? Hmm? Hmm? I'm about to have some green tea from Costco. I'm just gonna add a little bit of honey to it. Boom, baby. Boom, 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 boom. Just kidding. She's addicted to TikTok. Oh my lord. Thanks guys for watching our video. This was our recipe for fried rice. Let us know if you guys are going to try it out. Comment, share, like, and subscribe.